such a long answer to that question, but I'm going to try and give you my shortest one. The shortest answer is to really think about your intention. So when I'm talking to all of you right now, my intention is not to come across as super confident or like some sort of expert. I hope that that's coming across, but my primary intention is to be helpful, to make my ideas clear to you. And so as I'm talking along, my tone, the way that I'm talking is filtering through this intention of being clear, being helpful. And if you get really clear on what your intention is, I promise that the tone will lend itself to that. If my primary intention was to, be some sort of entertainer or to come across as super polished, that's when I'll start to go into some sort of fake, like artificial sing-songy thing like I'm doing right now. And for some reason, I'm also doing a little dance with it, right? So you want to be really crystal clear on what your intention is and to keep that intention outward focused. What do you want to do for them? What do you want to give them? And as clear as you are about that, the tone will lend itself. Is that helpful?
Yes, definitely.